Hi all. Now we are going to see how the induction heating is achieved using an oscillator circuit. This is a simple circuit by which an induction heating is achieved, and here we are seeing how the oscillator circuit is worked by this transistor using a transistor. We have basically a LT and CT which is actually connected in parallel, and a blocking capacitor. This is the resonant circuit, and a power supply which is the bias, and a resistor which is connected along with the LT, and this acts as a choke coil, this LC, and this is the feedback circuit RG and CG which is connected in parallel. Now when the supply is given, automatically a transient voltage waveform appears, and that is a part of that waveform is being fed back as an feedback as an input to the circuit, and this is how you get the output, and it is increased once as it comes, the amplitude of the waveform increases, and that is uh, increases until to a saturation point, after which it doesn't increase, and based on the voltage given and as well as the components we decides the amplitude of the oscillation. If we want to increase or decrease the amplitude of the oscillation, accordingly we have to select the components as well as the bias voltage. And the transistor is basically, and the circuit all are connected, basically is a tuned oscillator circuit. Generally we go on for with the tuned oscillator circuit for the induction heating, and this is how it is achieved. And most importantly, for an oscillator, we need to satisfy the Barkerson criterion, and we need a positive feedback, and also the feedback, the entire feedback should, along with the feedback, entire, for the Barkerson criterion, the total should be 2 pi or 0. So in order to satisfy, we have this combo of RG and CG. Hope you all understand this concept. And this, a continuation of this is the electronic generator. Basically this is just the oscillator circuit which will be implementing or inculcating inside the induction heating circuit, where we have the three-phase supply or single-phase supply, after which we'll have the rectifier, then the filter, and then we'll have this oscillator circuit, and then the load where we try to heat the material. To heat that material, we have the control through this oscillator, or the heating is done through this oscillator circuit. So in my another video you can check how this we call that as an electronic generator, how this oscillator circuit along with the entire setup or the system is used for induction heating. Thank you.